So, and I want to tell you one thing that you have been pranked along. हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो जैसे कि आपने अभी जो टाइटल है वो पढ़ लिया होगा और आपको पता चल गया कि वीडियो किसके बारे में है। सो बेसिकली आज हम लोग एक प्रैंक करने वाले हैं, वो बेसिकली मेरे कज़िन ब्रदर के ऊपर है। सो लेट अस सी कि ये सक्सेसफुल होता है कि नहीं। बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं उसे कॉल करूँगा, लेट अस सी दैट ही विल रिकॉग्नाइज माई वॉइस और नॉट। अगर उसने वॉइस रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया देन इस प्रैंक को हम लोग सक्सेसफुल मान सकते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है कि मैं एक प्रैंक कर रहा हूँ अपने ब्लॉगिंग चैनल पे। सो यूजुअली मैं ब्लॉगिंग के रिलेटेड कंटेंट डालता रहता था। सो दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि एक प्रैंक करे इन माय चैनल। सो अभी मैं उसको कॉल लगाने वाला हूँ यूजिंग माय फ्रेंड्स मोबाइल नंबर। मेरा से उसे कॉल करूँगा और उसे बोलूँगा कि हम लोग एक ब्रांड से बात कर रहे हैं एंड वी वांट टू स्पॉन्सर हिम फॉर हिज यूट्यूब वीडियो। तो अभी फर्स्ट हम इसको कॉल लगाते हैं एंड लेट अस सी। मैं उसे कॉल करने वाला हूँ, सो लेट अस सी वेदर ही पिक अप द कॉल और नॉट। So he is not pick up the call. So once again, let us try him. I know I'm not alone. So right now अभी उसका कॉल आ रहा है बट आई एम नॉट पिकअपिंग। लेट मी कॉल हिम बैक। सो नाउ आई विल कॉल हिम बैक और देखते हैं और उससे बात करते हैं अभी। हेलो,
हेलो कौन?
am I speaking to Rajat Talk?
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
See, we have been seeing your YouTube channel.
हाँ
So, are you been active still? Hello,
हाँ हेलो बोलो से
are you been still active on your channel?
यस यस।
Because I have been checking your YouTube channel. So, we are from a brand of a company where we have a clothing stores.
हाँ
So, we wanna make a brand promotion with you.
हाँ
So,
which brand are you talking about?
it's a wild, it's a clothing brand.
No
Hello.
which clothing brand?
It's a clothing brand where it promotes. We have been promoting a new brand. Actually, it's been launched new in a market.
हाँ
So actually, it's a innerwear garments and
हाँ
all,
which
uh,
innerwear?
underwear and innerwear like
हाँ
banyans and all.
हाँ
So, are you interested to collab with this brand?
what will I get?
So we have been paying the creators who have been promoting the brand.
हाँ
So we have a price budget of 3,000 to 10,000, but as per based on the channel analytics, we pay them. So we have
no
been,
how much will I get?
so as we have seen a channel analytics, you have
हाँ
been inactive
no I'm active, I'm uploading videos till now.
because we have seen that your videos have been delayed from 2 months. Hello.
No you're talking wrong, you're actually talking wrong then. I've been uploading videos continuously. Just I had some project work, so I was just my new video has been so delayed for 1 month.
Because the brand who collab with you, they have some terms and condition. When we give a brand to promote for a creator,
हाँ
so he must be active and he must have a organic audience so
no
that we,
my audience is organic only, no. Why
because
will I accept it?
hello,
Say I'm hearing.
Please, can you come beside because we are getting disturbed noise and I
Okay.
cannot connect with you
Yes,
properly.
yes, 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 yes.
Hello, are you?
Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yes.
So the terms and condition are that when we give a brand for a promotion, it must have an organic audience so that when we give you or pay money with a review unit, so
I'm saying, no, according to my analytics, how much will I get?
see, as per the views of your last video we have seen and are little bit lower for us, but still we are trying to contribute for the small creators because the big creators are been asking for the lots of money for the brand promotion and all, because we want to catch up the full entire local market also with a big market.
Hello, just can you wait for 15 seconds?
Okay.
Just 15 seconds.
Okay, so you are gonna disconnect the call. Hello.
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 I'm backstage here.
Okay. So, listen the terms and condition what I'm gonna tell you for you. See, first, when we pay with for you will be digitally, not through post and all.
Okay, you means you will pay e-payment.
Yeah, sure. We will make a e-payment. So the payment will be like first we will be paying you the 10% of the amount.
Means how much I will get? Of 4,000.
What? What 4,000?
No, you said that according to my channel analytics, you will pay me, right?
Yeah, I have said that I will pay you, but it depends upon your channel analytics. We're gonna pay you the minimum range of paying a creator is from 3,000, then about the 10,000. So within that range, we will just analytic. We have seen of your channel. So on that basis, we can pay you from within 3,000 to 4,000.
Okay.
So let me tell you, I have said you the first condition. See that we will make a e-payment and the 10% will be paid as an advance for you.
Okay.
And after that, when you upload the video, after the uploading of video, within the 24 hours, the rest of the payment will be done to you.
Okay.
So are you accepting these terms and conditions?
Yes, okay, I will accept this terms and conditions.
Okay.
Just I want to confirm that it's not a fake, right?
No. This is a new brand which has been collaborating with the small creators.
What's the brand name?
Wild Hero.
Which white?
Wild Hero.
Wild Hero.
Yeah.
Means what garments do you have?
See, now we have been made first is the underwears and the innerwears. And the later on we have been, it's a startup company for the brands.
Okay.
So as we have said you the first conditions of the payments, so I'm gonna tell you the second, that is about the video which you will be promoting a brand.
Okay.
So in that you will make a concept where you will say regarding our brand of the underwear. So we will send you one review in it.
Okay.
But for that we will require your details for sending the review unit. That will be one underwear.
Okay.
So let me.
Only one underwear.
Yeah, because it's just for the review unit. Not we are giving many more for you.
I should show in that video or not?
Yeah.
I should show in that video.
Yeah, see, listen up. So the underwear is having a new feature like if you iron the underwear, it changes the strap color.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, I'm listening. Sir.
Yeah. See, if you are being comfortable for this.
No, you are saying that I should make a video on that by wearing it and all.
No, not wearing of that. I'm not telling that you should wear the underwear. I'm telling you that you should show a brand in your video so that
I should show the picture. I can show the picture or not.
No, you cannot show the pictures. You have to show it live in your video. Like you have to show what we have said of like unboxing this underwear, like a short clip in that, which is a brand promotion.
Okay.
In that you have to show that iron feature, which colors changes the strap.
Okay.
So are you comfortable? Because you have been asking us the questions. So
Just wait for 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds.
okay,
Just wait.
okay.
नितीन भाई ते मी एक इलेक्ट्रिकल कमर आहे घरात वाटतं काय त्या खाली काही घाल टाकायचं नाही व्हिडिओ दाखवत आहे काही आणि आयन गन दाखवत आहे काही घेऊ एस्टरम बी काय नाही नाही हाय हाय घेते नाही व्हिडिओचा ऑडियन्स खूप होतो ओके हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो
Hello, yeah.
हा आय एम बॅक
See, are you comfortable? Because you have been taking your time.
No, I am comfortable.
Yeah. See, as I said that you have to show minimum for 10 to 15 second a clip.
Okay.
That's the minimum.
Second clip.
Yeah, minimum you can show. Yeah. No.
I should say something or not. That means this video is sponsored by so and so company and all.
Yeah. You have to, because you should promote our company brand name.
Okay.
Otherwise, the people or the audience who are viewing will not get to know of which brand we are promoting, which you are promoting. So you have to say the brand name.
Okay. I'll
Because
see about that.
it's a startup and many of the audience has no idea about this brand.
Okay.
So you have to say the brand name.
Okay. Means starting, I should say that this video is sponsored by so and so brand, and
Yeah.
I should unbox that product, and I should iron and show that product, right?
Yeah, you have to just show, like you will get to know the features what are there, like elasticity of it and comfortableness for the man, because it's a man brand.
Okay.
So are you comfortable with this?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Because you are comfortable in showing the features.
Yes, I will show the pictures in the video.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So for this I'm gonna send you a mail link where you get an agreement.
Okay.
In that it will have a picture of an agreement where you have to digitally sign that and make a PDF and send back to our mail. You have been signed this. So in there is the payment procedure and what all the things I have explained to you.
Okay. But exactly how much amount will I get?
So it's like we have set the price within 3,000 to 4,000.
Okay.
So if as you have said, first 10% will be sent to you digitally with a review unit.
Okay.
As after the uploading of video within the 24 hours, we will check your analytics, and within that the rest which will add with the 10% and we will send you.
Okay.
Are you okay with it?
Yes, I'm okay.
So, and as I was saying you that I will send you a photo of a terms and condition through a mail. So you have to just read up the all terms and condition whatever I have explained to you,
Okay.
and then you have to digitally sign that and make a PDF so that there must be not any manipulation in it.
Okay. And when you will send me mail, right?
Yeah, I will send you mail. So are you accepting this deal?
Yes, I'm accepting.
Okay, so will you accept all the terms and conditions, right?
Yes, you will mail me, no? I will check that out.
Yeah, I will mail you.
Yes, I accept.
Okay, and what will be the video length?
Video length means just I will do for one of my videos. Starting, I will say that this video is sponsored by so and so brand, and I will speak about your brand and all.
So
Minimum about 10
no,
to 15 seconds, right?
minimum is 15 seconds you have to speak, and in that you have to cover up the points of a brand.
Okay, I will cover.
Are you sure with it?
Yes, I'm sure with it.
Because the 15 seconds does not been efficient for you.
No, I will cover. If I don't get the time, I will try to get extra time over there. Because I
Okay.
will make for 20 to 30 seconds also. No problem. I don't have any problems.
Yeah, because
Yes,
if
for any of my videos, I can speak about that, right?
then when we are been making your payment, see,
Okay.
as we have sent you the photo of the agreement
Okay.
for of the terms and condition, when
Okay.
we will sign, when you will sign and return send back to us, it is been available. So please confirm us the right one, please.
No, no. What you will do? Which which mail you will send me?
It's upon you which you are actively using it.
One work you can do. You can write off my mail.
On which mail we can write up, you just confirm me whether from the YouTube description or from your social media platforms.
From my social media only you will do that. From my social media.
Okay.
I will check out.
Okay then.
Okay, after reviewing the product, I should send you the product back.
No, it's for review and you can use it.
Okay, no problem.
And you have to give the experience of it in a letter also,
Okay.
like a feedback.
Okay.
So as you are saying me something about the video when you should promote our brand.
Means within this month or next month I will promote it. Within this month.
Because
I'm working on some projects of my video only, so I'm not being work for the video. I'm launching with some collaborations and also on this video I will promote surely.
because see, we have been collaborating with most of the small creators now, because we want to cover up the entire local market. Due to lockdown, we are not available to deliver a product in a local market. So with the help of digital platforms, we have been sending us a brand and making the promotions. So
What was the brand name? Can I confirm it? What was the brand name?
Wild Hero.
Wild Hero.
Yeah.
WILDHERO.
No, not HERO, ERO. Wild Hero.
Wild Hero.
Yeah.
Wild Hero. Okay. Website on Google or what?
No, we have not started still, because our brands have been not arrived in the local markets and all. We have been still working on it.
Okay.
So I think all the confirmations and
I will confirm this and I just one listen. Means I should put your website address in my description to buy for people and all.
yeah,
I
that
should give a review over there.
what? Hello.
No. Means you are selling those on some sites or anywhere. Means if any people want to buy those undergarments or anywhere.
Yeah.
I should put in say 100.
Yeah, it's been still in the progress of work. We have been working on this site. As soon as we complete, we will send that. So first, we want to confirm the content creators who have been collaborating with us.
Okay.
We are making a bucket list of every content creator who has been collaborating with us.
Okay. Show how the product works and all, right?
Yeah, sure.
And just put your website mail address in my description link to buy the products.
Yes, you're right.
Yes, okay, surely I will show it.
Yeah, okay. So
Okay.
thank you for talking with us and giving your time to us.
Okay.
So, and I want to tell you one thing,
What?
that you have been pranked. Hello, Mantanu Lidre. Hello.
Mantan ಇದೆ.
Yeah, I am speaking with I was shooting a video for my YouTube.
मग कळेल मग आवाज का ऐकला चाल रे
So I was shooting a video for my YouTube. It is a prank call.
मग कळले आवाज वरनं चाललो म्हणतात रे ना रे मग का म्हणता कच्चे ब्रँड कोलॅबोरेशन करता असले कोण होते तर का म्हणून घेऊन आता मग सांग कॉल रेकॉर्डिंग केले कॉल रेकॉर्डिंग केले तू
Hello, listen. I have made even the video of this. So I just want to ask a permission with you whether I can upload this video or not.
थोडे मध्ये मध्ये सांगेल कट कर पडे अभिजित कट कर मध्ये हा ते थांब मी मध्ये
Okay, sure. This get. So this is my friend's number. And
खर्चे ब्रँड कोलॅबोरेशन करतात इथले लो सबस्क्रायबर सेट बोला आणि इथले चॅनल मॉनिटाईज झालं अजून इथले पैसे ब्रँड कोलॅबोरेशन करतात का म्हणून
so but still you have been pranked by us.
Okay, no problem.
So you have been given us permission to upload this video, right?
Permission, right? You can upload.
Okay, thank you so much.
खाली call recording केला.
No, video also I have made.
You made video also from
Yeah.
your phone.
Yeah. This is not my number. It's actually one of my friend's number I've used. But
you wasted my most of my time.
but still, I think
Wasted my around half an hour. I wasted my half an hour.
yeah, because you have took lot of time in accepting this brand deal, right?
Which was the falsity.
So thank you for giving your precious time for me, and I hope you enjoyed it.
When you will upload this video?
Trying to upload as soon within this week.
Okay.
So thank you so much for giving your precious time, and I hope you have enjoyed it.
Okay, goodbye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
So finally we have pranked him, and he was been totally pranked by us, and he had totally accepted the brand promotion totally. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So I have randomly called him and made a prank on him. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram user ID, and you can also follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter ID. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.